Good morning. Sean Franks here from the Crappie Life. Hey man, another beautiful morning here on Logan Martin, man. I'm out here this morning, got out here fairly early, got me some good breakfast is going this big good. Now it's time for me to flip a few pancakes in this boat. I thought Walker was gonna fish with me today, but he had some stuff come up, so I'm out here at it again, man. And so I'm gonna probably fish till about lunchtime or so, and I'm gonna head back in before it gets too hot. So you guys have a safe, productive day, and God bless.
Life ain't for everyone. Alarm clock ringing at 2 a.m. Phone call says you're on duty again. Coffee in a thermos, boots on my feet. Another 100 miles down the steel-lined street. Missed birthdays, missed holidays too. Watching my hometown through a rear view. Everybody loves trains when they're passing by, but they don't see the sacrifice. This life ain't for everyone, that's for sure. Long nights, hard miles, and a whole lot more. Living by a schedule that you never know. Always one call from having to go. From the frozen north to the desert sun. Working while the whole world's having fun. It's a tough road rolling beneath these wheels, but a railroader's heart is made of steel. This life ain't for everyone. Climbing the bladders in the pouring rain, walking ballads while the storm rolls in, dodging the heat in the winter snow, doing what it takes to keep commerce moving. The paychecks look good, that's what they say, but every dollar's earned the hard way. Sleeping in hotels far from home, learning what it's like to be alone. This life ain't for everyone, that's for sure. Long nights, hard miles, and a whole lot more. Living by a schedule that you never know. Always one call from having to go. From the frozen north to the desert sun. Working while the whole world's having fun. It's a tough road rolling beneath these wheels, but a railroader's heart is made of steel. This life ain't for everyone. This life ain't for everyone. Some quit after a week, some after a year. Some can't handle being gone, that's clear. But the ones who stay know why they're here. Keeping America moving mile after mile. This life ain't for everyone, that's alright. Some are built for 9 to 5, sleeping every night. But if you hear that whistle calling your name, you chase that horizon just the same. Through the hard times.
Good afternoon, Sean Franks here from Crappie Life. Hey man, I had a pretty good day today. I ended up swinging about 26 in the boat, so I think it's 26 over there. I had some really good fish, but it's fixing to get nasty, and I gotta go into that to get back to the landing. So, hey, you guys have a blessed day, and I tell you what, man, this Crappie Life, it's tough sometimes, but it's still the best life.
You don't choose the railroad chooses you.